Wide open spaces right in the heart of all of your modern conveniences. We are in Bixby today. We're just south of Tulsa, but north of the Arkansas River. So easy commute times to all of the amazing stuff in South Tulsa. But I wanted to give you a closer look at this house. Obviously, we do have photos, but sometimes it helps to get a feel for the place to see it live. So that's what we're gonna do today. You have an amazing, it's like 0.9 acre, 0.9 something. So basically a full acre in the backyard. We've got fruit trees, it's fully fenced, and there's a lot of other really cool goodies as well. So without further ado, let's jump into this home tour. First things first, we obviously have a built-in basketball goal. You are in a cul-de-sac, and here is the house. Let me tell you, pretty great. I love the white. It was originally brown with, I believe it had like red bricks. So I think this is a good color combo. I like it. The seller did put in this patio, so it is wheelchair accessible, at least for the first floor. There's a little bit of a step over there, just be aware. But really great front patio space here. You have room for your table settings, all of that. Nice big tree in the front yard. And then you'd have a gate to get into the back over there, but you've got patio space right here. Obviously security system. And then coming in here, we'll go upstairs in a second. But right over here, this is where they kind of have a kids' playroom for the downstairs area. And then your formal dining is actually over there. But we know, a lot of people don't use formal dinings anymore, so it just kind of depends on your situation. But obviously room for a really good sized couch. You're gonna see a little bit of totes and stuff around because they're still in the process of moving out. So I want to do this video really quick while there was still some furniture left. You got a coat closet right here, and then we'll just go here to the left. You have another closet and a bedroom. Really good size. You do have a closet right there. And then across the way, we have a full bath. Really great. Double vanities here. Full, this one's a shower, not a tub. And then moving through this way, you do have the sunroom, which is one of my favorite parts, but we'll stop here really quick. Great fireplace. I also love the beams, and you do have, this is an original light fixture, but I think it's kind of cool. It adds a little bit of that warmth. And then over here, we've got some nice floating shelves, kitchen, dining nook, granite counters in here, lots of cabinet space. I like the almost bay window happening here. It's not a true bay window, but I like that. You can see into the backyard, excuse me. Gas range, fridge, oven, all of that. Kind of a little prep area. Could be great for a little coffee station. And then over here is obviously your laundry. I'm not gonna go into the garage because, like I said, they're moving. There's a lot of stuff in there, so there's not much to look at. But over here is that sunroom. Would also make a great dining area. That's why there's a table out here, but craft area, dining space, whatever you want to use it for. Now, it doesn't have the central, is not in this room. That's why this is here. But for most of the year, it's fully screened in. Was not even screened. It's fully enclosed. And then you have windows that open as well, so you can air it out, but you don't have to worry about the bugs, all of that kind of stuff. I think it's a great spot. Obviously, you can see into the dining area as well. I don't know. I love this room. We're gonna go into the back in just a minute, but I'm gonna go upstairs first. I really like just kind of how it's set in here. It's that older style, but I think it's really cool. Top of the stairs here, we have a nice, good sized landing. And then moving this way is one of the kids' bedrooms. I think that sellers did a great job. I love the colors in here. I love the wallpaper. I think it's super cute. But dual closets in here, obviously the window. And then coming this way, you do have a full bath. So there's a tub if you need it. And then moving over here, this one's linen closet. Here's the other bedroom. Also has some super cute wallpaper. But great size room there. Even room for a little vanity play area. And then of course, another closet. And then coming around, we have an additional full bath up here. Dual vanities. Shower, and of course toilet there. And then a really cool office nook right here. Love that. Right in there is a closet, but there's a bunch of stuff in it because we stash it for videos. And then you do have this other room up here, which the sellers used as the primary bedroom because it is the largest, But you do have the other bedroom downstairs as well if you needed it. So it just kind of depends, like I mentioned at the beginning, what your situation is and what space that you need. So I'm going to head downstairs, but just to recap, you've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms up here, 2 full bathrooms, and then downstairs you have another bedroom and another full bathroom. So 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, which you're not going to get for this price in a new construction neighborhood or really in most of Tulsa, greater Tulsa. Outside we've got a brick patio that goes around. You have a little bit of patio space over here. Obviously fire pit, room for grilling out, all of that. Goes around to the other side. But check this out. Hello. So it goes all the way back to the corner. I don't know if you can see it right there is the line, and then it's fully fenced all the way around. It's a little bit like a baseball diamond in a way. But a lot of these trees are fruit trees, the seller told me. This is not. This is like a weeping willow, which I bet is gorgeous in the summer. I haven't seen it yet because we listed this in the winter. But I'm told there's a lot of fruit trees back here. And then obviously tons of space. And then this is your second single car garage, detached. So you have a 2-car in the front, and then you have this one. And it's pretty great, especially if you're wanting that like country feel without living way out in the country. This could be a great option for you. I mean, what's not to love? I mean, I think there's a lot of flexibility in this house depending on your family size and what your needs are. But I think just the fact that it is a full acre, more or less, right in the heart of town is pretty fabulous. And for the price, you really can't beat it. New construction in the area will, for this price, will get you a smaller house, and it's going to be on like a 0.2 acre lot. So really small. So you get a lot for your money here. The home's already been painted if you're looking at some of the old photos. So it has gotten some fresh paint and some updates as well. But yeah, if you're interested in it, reach out to me. I'd be happy to show it to you.